Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize DocuSign to sign project milestones from Jira. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Jira account. Navigate to the project where you want to set up DocuSign. Click on the project settings located in the sidebar. Find and select the integrations or apps option from the menu. Search for DocuSign in the app marketplace. Once you locate the DocuSign integration, click on it. Follow the prompts to install the DocuSign app in your Jira instance. After installation, return to the Project Settings menu. Look for the newly added DocuSign Settings option. Click on Authorize DocuSign to start the integration process. You will be redirected to the DocuSign login page. Enter your DocuSign credentials and log into your account. Grant permission for Jira to access your DocuSign account. Once authorization is complete, you will be redirected back to Jira. Verify that the integration is active in the project settings. Now, navigate to the milestone you want to have signed. Click on the milestone to open its details page. Locate the DocuSign option within the milestone menu. Select Send for signature or a similar option available. Fill in the necessary details for the signature request. Choose recipients who will need to sign the milestone. Customize any message or instructions for the signers if needed. Once everything looks correct, click on the Send button. Your request will be submitted, and the signers will receive an email notification. You can track the status of the signature request directly in Jira. Once all parties have signed, you will receive a completion notification. Access the finalized document through the DocuSign link provided in Jira. This completes the setup and usage of DocuSign for signing project milestones in Jira. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.